Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flip cup technique, but I will kind of do a sandwich pour, and my main kind of color will be my pearl white, that it's Vallejo Pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and my pouring medium. This is the consistency. It leaves kind of a 3-second trace or something. But I will add color in the bottom and then I will sandwich, because my pearl white mixture works like that. If some color goes over the pearl white, it creates lacing and cells. If this is on top of the color, it's more cloudy look, but not a lot of cells. So I don't want all you know, what you do on the bottom, what you pour in the bottom. It came out last, so it would be too pearly for me, so I decided to go that way. And I'm still working with this color palette because I like it. It's gold, red violet, brilliant blue, phthalo green, permanent violet, phthalo blue, and iridescent green blue. So here in this one, that will be the top one, I will add some gold and some red violet. And maybe some brilliant blue, and then I will add quite a bit of pearl white to cover all those, and then I will go with the green, phthalo green, permanent blue violet, phthalo blue, and iridescent green blue, green yellow, and pearl white again. Now I will leave it like that. And the second one, I will start with the phthalo green on the bottom and the violet, phthalo blue, pearl white, and brilliant blue, red violet, gold, iridescent, and then pearl white again, And I will flip this one right here and this one here. And I will wait for a second. And I will flip this one this way and this one that way. There is no silicone oil, just my paints and effects that I'm kind of thinking that I will get will be from my pearl white. If it will not sell, I can always try some chameleon cells on top with pearl white, with silicone oil or something. We will see how this will work out. So let's flip that. And the second one. I see some cells popping through. Okay, so let's tilt that. I will try to tilt a little bit of that off if I can, and I want to bring that line all over because it looks like a horizon. Yeah. You see, here is the line that kind of looks like a horizon. That's why I want to bring it over the edge, just to help my composition. And there is not too many cells, but there are, and some of them are, you see, just beautiful ones. Look at this one. There is more cells on the top part. They look kind of 3D. You see, here is pearl white over the color, and it's just kind of cloudy looking. Some beautiful lacing and cells right here. And some beautiful blending, and I just love it. It's a landscape looking painting, and I love landscapes. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. Really am. Sorry for the glare. It's rainy here in Slovenia and cold for this time of year. In that middle where it looks like mountains or hills or something. I just love it. Yay! I'm happy.